Welcome to Minukuu tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to remove wrong bank details from your Google Adsense account and re-enter the right bank info in order to receive your payments from YouTube. Usually when we are being asked by Google Adsense to add our payments method after we've reached the verification threshold, which is $10, we often make a mistake. First of all, you have to know that we have several methods of payment. You could either choose check or whatever, but in our case we are going to look at direct bank deposit. So in case you've entered the wrong bank details, you receive this query from Google Adsense. Instead of like after you've entered the bank details, you were supposed to receive, let's say in between 3 to 5 working days, you were supposed to receive the less than $1 deposit in your bank account. But instead of receiving the deposit, you would realize that you haven't received any deposit in your bank account, and then you receive this query that deposit failed. Mind you, when you receive this query, it doesn't necessarily mean that you've entered the wrong bank details. It could also mean that probably something went wrong. Probably your bank did not allow it to the deposit or the transfer to be done, or whatever the reason might be. But I'm going to show you how to solve it in case you enter the wrong bank details, for that matter. So all you have to do is you simply have to log into your Google Adsense account, come and click on payments, as you can see, then after which you come and click on manage payments or manage payment methods. So when you click on manage payments methods, what happens? It takes us here, and over here, as you can see, you either have you have the possibility to either fix the situation or you add a new payment method. Now, in case you know for sure that you entered the right bank details, however, something went wrong, probably a technical problem or whatever that it could be, that Adsense failed to pay, failed to deposit the less than $1 into your Google Ads into your bank account. Then you know that, okay, for sure I've entered the right bank details, but something went wrong. In this case, you come and click on fix, and then you do troubleshooting in order to resolve the problem. But in case you know for sure that you entered the wrong bank details, all you have to do is to come and click on add payments methods. So when you click on add payments method, what happens? This page displays, asking you once again for the name of your bank account, your IBAN, in other words your bank number or your account number, and then your SWIFT code, also known as the BIC code, or even the SWIFT BIC is the same thing. You can actually obtain these details. In case, one thing that I have to let you understand is that, especially with the BIC code or the SWIFT BIC, I wouldn't advise that you pick it from the internet, because sometimes the SWIFT code for the same bank may vary depending on your region. So it's better you contact your bank to make sure that you get the right bank details, the right SWIFT BIC, and come and put it here. Or if it's your account name, make sure that you enter the account, the right the name of the account, the right name of your bank account. You understand? And also make sure you enter the right IBAN or your right your right account number. So make sure you get all the details right, and come and click on save once again. So when you click on save, once again Google Adsense will tell you that Google will deposit less than $1 into your bank account within the next 3 to 5 business days. Now, in case you receive that amount, then you would have to click on the payments method page and enter the exact amount of the deposit that you received from Google. So just click on got it. Sorry, when you just click on got it, and now this is how your account will look like. You know, now at this moment you realize that as soon as you enter the new payment methods, you realize that you now have the ability to remove the existing payments method. So as you can see, this is actually the existing payments method over here, and this is the new details that you've entered. You know, so this is the primary, and this is the existing one which had a problem. And now you can simply click on remove in order to remove the wrong bank details. So you simply click on remove, and bam, it's gone. You know, click on remove and it's gone. Right now you realize that you now have your right bank details being entered, and then you wait for 3 to 5 working days. When you receive the less than $1 deposit in your bank account, then you simply come and log into your Google Adsense account once again and come and click on payments. When you click on payments, then you would see here verify now. So you simply click on verify now, and then what happens here, you come and click on the drop down list and select the right amount that you received from your Google Adsense account. Supposing that I received, let's say, 0.21 euros. It depends on your currency. If you are spending dollars, then it will be $0.21. Whatever your currency that it is, it will be the equivalent, and it varies. What is I know for sure is that it's something less than $1, so it could be 0.8, it could be 0. Whatever that you received, the equivalent in your currency. You don't have to enter anything. It's just a matter of clicking on the drop down list. You know, the drop down list which is over here. You simply click on it, then you select the right amount, and then you click on verify. So when you click on verify, you would receive this notice that your bank account is verified, and the bank account, and they'll give the last digits of your bank account number, is ready for use. Then you just click on got it, and here it goes. Henceforth, your bank account is verified, and what that means is that as soon as your payments reach the maximum threshold that you set for yourself, in my case is 70 euros, you might have increased it to any threshold of your choice. In case you meet the threshold, automatically Google Adsense would transfer your YouTube payments directly into your bank account. Usually the payments come between the 10th and the 14th of the next month after you've reached your payments threshold. And even if your monthly threshold usually is the same method, your monthly payments usually come between the 10th and the 14th of the next month. So for instance, if gradually I finally reach my maximum threshold, which is 70 euros in my case, then for instance, if I gradually reach the threshold, if I had reached the threshold, let's say today as we speak, in November, or okay, we are actually in December, even though I recorded a video. Okay, so as soon as if I had reached the payment threshold, the maximum payment threshold in December, then what that means is that my 70 euros would be paid directly into my bank account between the 10th and the 14th of January. This is how it works. So what is more important here is that your bank account details are verified, and you would be able to receive your payments from YouTube as soon as you reach the maximum threshold through direct bank deposit. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.